The Ibex. An ibex is a wild goat. Ibexes have big, long horns that turn behind their heads. The horns have spiky bumps on them. Their fur is very short and not shaggy like a dog's fur. As the weather warms, the fur gets darker. Ibexes are about 5 feet long and 3 feet high. They weigh about as much as 2 people put together. Ibexes live in the mountains. They are found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. Their homes are made in the rocks. Ibexes have very hard feet, so they can walk on rocks all day long. Some even live in snowy mountains where it's very cold. Mostly they like to stay in the shade of trees in the daytime. Ibexes are herbivores, so they eat only plants. In the daytime, when it is warm, they search for food. They usually eat leaves from trees that grow in their natural habitat. Many ibexes also search for food to eat. However, fruit is less common in some of their grazing areas. Although ibexes are plant eaters, this does not mean that they are less dangerous to humans. Ibexes dislike being near humans and will sometimes attack. The main animal that hunts for ibexes is the leopard. Ibexes live in 2 different groups. Groups are made up of about 10 to 20 ibexes. Males make up one group, and females and babies make up the other. Males fight each other to establish power in their groups and to win females as their mates. The most powerful male ibexes avoid each other and do not fight. This helps them avoid serious injury. Ibexes are known for their charging abilities when they attack predators. Ibexes put down their heads and butt into their predators. Although younger ibexes often fight, they avoid hurting each other. In fact, much of their fighting involves circling and pretend charges, which are called mock charges. Ibexes used to be the subjects of many game hunts. The handsome male heads were prized by hunters, and many of these heads were stuffed by taxidermists and then displayed in the homes of big game hunters. They were also hunted because of the medicinal properties of various parts of their bodies. However, the advancement of modern medicine has stopped most of the hunting of ibexes for their medicinal value. About 10,000 ibexes still live today in the world.
Teaching Reading Strategies is the reading intervention program for students ages 8 to adult. Ideal for EL and response to intervention instruction, this curriculum provides 13 diagnostic reading assessments with matching phonemic awareness and phonics workshops. Also, get whole class blending and syllabication activities, comprehension worksheets, and multi-level expository fluency passages. The accompanying 54 Sam and Friends phonics books are written for older readers, and these 8-page take-home stories match the instructional sequence. We invite you to read the detailed product description and then click Preview this book to see lesson samples.